Okay, got 700 wheel, need to fit a Shimano cassette on there, 7-speed. Cassettes come as a splined back on them so that you can slot them straight onto the freewheel body. This is the freewheel body. First of all, locate the smaller tab, which is there, and then same on the back of the cassette, match it in, smaller slot. Shimano's cassettes out the box, they come with the packaging already wrapped so you can put it all on in one go. And take the tab off with the plastic wrapping. And screw on, get the tool, which is a spline tool for cassette removal or fitting. Slot it into the lock ring, tighten it up, get a nice big spanner, tighten it up, put some load of pressure on it, tighten it down. Remove the tool, done.